Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. Let's have a look at the US dollar. Before I continue, if I could just quickly ask you to click the like and the subscribe button for me, please. I'm putting a lot of effort into helping people out here. I'd really appreciate a little bit of support from you, and so that I can grow this channel. So I'm going to look at the DXY index as I usually do, and the dollar's been getting crushed for a while. And again, it was something that was pretty much expected. But I think we're very close to the end of this period of getting crushed. I'm not sure if this is the turning point quite yet. In my last video, I was talking about how the turning point could be around 102-ish on the dollar index, but I'm not sure if it quite is, to be honest. I think we could see the dollar index sort of go to about 105 and then turn back round to make a new low, after which very likely we would have reached the bottom for the dollar index for the near term. But overall, I'm expecting the dollar to sort of strengthen quite soon, and we could see things sort of go crazy with the dollar reaching new heights and so on. Other cross currencies getting crushed. I could see, for example, GBP USD getting crushed really badly. We could see GBP USD come down to, on par levels with the USD. Euro USD, we've pretty much hit on par levels before. I think we're going to see those, revisit those levels again. So the dollar's got a lot of strengthening to happen. However, having said that, I think if the dollar was to strengthen once again over the next few months, I think that would be the last push up, and after which we're looking at the dollar getting crushed totally. Various different macroeconomic reasons for that. I'm not an economist, so I'm not going to talk about that. I leave that to the specialists to talk more about this. I'm focusing more on the technicals and what I see on the price action. And based on that, what I can see is the dollar sort of heading towards the 105 on the DXY index, possibly pulling back down. If that doesn't happen, then that's it. We're heading up. We're heading up to levels like 115 on the dollar DXY index, possibly more, after which we should see some signs of exhaustion and seeing dollar come tumbling down. So there we have it, guys. That's my analysis on this. If you're a boutique trading firm and you think I can add some value to your trading, please do get in touch. Imagine the extra profits we can generate for your firm with my analysis and market forecasts. Simply drop me a quick message in the comments and I'll get in touch. Or you could simply get in touch with me on my Twitter profile. I'll leave this in the description below. Or if you're using LinkedIn, feel free to drop me a connection request on LinkedIn. I'll leave a link to my profile in the description below. So if you traded based on my previous analysis, let me know how it went for you in the comments below. It'd be really nice to know how my analysis is helping people out with the trading, and it's just motivation for me. So share your results and let's see how it's going. If you're finding my video analysis useful, please do throw in a quick like and do subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate your support in growing this channel. And don't forget to share my video in your social handles, please. Please do share my videos on your LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter handles. I'd really appreciate that.